Have you ever wondered how much that used car in your garage is really worth? This question may seem simple at first glance, but it's far from it. The concept of value in the used car market is a tricky one, influenced by a plethora of variables. The age of the car, its mileage, its condition, and even the current market demand all play crucial roles in determining the worth of a used vehicle. Each of these factors is subject to interpretation and can be challenging to evaluate with precision. For instance, how do you accurately assess the condition of a car, or predict the market demand for a specific make or model? This is where artificial intelligence comes in. With its ability to process vast amounts of data and identify patterns, AI can help in making more accurate assessments of these factors. Determining the value of a used car is more complex than it appears, but AI is stepping in to make things easier. Imagine a world where you could know the value of a used car in seconds thanks to AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI as we often call it, is a technology that's changing the game in many industries, and the used car market is no exception. Take Carvana, for example. This company is leveraging the power of AI to accurately value used cars. But how does it work? Well, Carvana's AI system analyzes millions of data points from various sources, such as previous sales, current market trends, and even the condition and mileage of the car. It's like having a superhuman car expert who can instantly sift through all this data and come up with an accurate value for the car. This is a giant leap forward from the traditional methods of valuing used cars, which often involved guesswork and could be time-consuming. AI is revolutionizing the way we value used cars, making it faster and more accurate. So, what does this mean for you, the buyer or seller in the second-hand car market? Well, imagine a world where the process of buying or selling used cars is as transparent